Atongoi Kīvathūkany'o Maineenea Nimaumya Witano kwa Silikali Yiambe Usyokea Mutalatala wa Tene wa NHIF Kuvikia Enenthi Maelewe Uthukumi wa Sha Atongoi Kuma Lower Eastern Maineenea Kajiado Makueni Kitui na Masaku Nimasya Silikali Niyonanitye Itomo ya Ilovia Ivindani Yila Enenthi Maineenea uvinyiwa na kuwa wa Nimaumya Maineenea nthini wa holi ya kutoa isya uvo wa St. Paul's Masaku vala Maineenea maundu Kīvathūkany'o makoneti nthi ya Kenya Dan Mwongela hena mavombe yange.
Atongoi ya makanisa Atongoi ni Bishop Festus Malua Maineenea itina wa umano wa ANC andamangwatno ya makanisa ma ACCK ni maeleseka na awau ni Maineenea kunyama ya masivitari ni kuma na ngalama nne ya witi ilava umbe ni manatetheka kwa kwewiwa ungua kinanu cha NHIF indi juu kwisilawala ni umo wa Sha ni Maineenea uthina muno mate kwewiwa ndivi sya witi.
Revert to NHIF until the Shif is ready. We continue to watch in horror the suffering individual patients and the families are going through as they cannot access treatment in public or private health facilities. We demand that the government suspends the implementation of the Social Health Insurance Fund, known as Shif, and revert to the National Health Insurance Fund, that is NHIF, until the Social Health Authority puts all necessary measures and structures in place.
Inki Bishop Maluani wa kulia Atongoi alanyu beva nthi ya Kenya maiki ovitia mbema wendimo kuolanga siko sia ulusani na kwamba uthini kia mathina ala Maineenea uvinyi ya mwene nthita uiti kisomo kati wangi nundu enenthi ingine Maineenea uthini isio ni si Kīvathūkany'o.
The high appetite for money should not be reason to sacrifice the lives of Kenyans. In addition, we call for a radical change in the benefits provided under the Shif to ensure they match or at least are better than the benefits that we enjoyed under the NHIF. It does not make sense to us that Kenyans are now paying more money but are getting less benefits. Number 7, make the most of the school holidays. In line with the education calendar, all children are now home for the next 2 months for the long holiday. We encourage fellow parents not to feel overwhelmed, but to instead make adequate plans to fully engage the children in productive activities. This is a prudent opportunity to instill life skills, culture of work, and sense of responsibility in the young ones. We must not make social media the surrogate parent of our children, or else we will lose the current and the future generations.
Daniel Mwongela, Atongoi TV, Kuma St. Paul, Katoloni County ya Masaku.